This gaming PC looks absolutely insane on paper, but is the ZOTAC MEK gaming PC actually worth thousands of dollars, or are you about to get ripped off? For starters, this machine packs AMD's Ryzen 7 9800X3D, one of the fastest gaming CPUs available today, paired with an RTX 5090 graphics card, 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, a 2 terabyte NVMe SSD, and a massive 1200-watt gold power supply. Translation: this thing can crush 4K gaming, ray tracing, streaming, and basically anything you throw at it. But here's where things get interesting. The hardware itself is incredibly powerful. The bigger question is ZOTAC's reputation. While ZOTAC is a legitimate company that's been making GPUs and gaming hardware for years, customer reviews online show mixed experiences. Many buyers praise the performance, but others report frustrating warranty and RMA support issues when something goes wrong. So, is it a scam? No, this is a real product from a real manufacturer being sold through Amazon. There's no evidence that the PC itself is a scam. However, if you buy it, make sure you're comfortable with the possibility of dealing with customer support if you ever need warranty service. Bottom line, the specs are elite. The performance should be incredible. The only gamble isn't the hardware, it's the after-sales support. Would you spend this much on a pre-built gaming PC, or would you build one yourself? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more brutally honest tech reviews.